Last week, the payment app Zelle announced new policies that could help consumers who lost money in imposter scams.
And Zelle specifically noted consumers who were tricked by crooks posing as their bank, and those people they think should be reimbursed for this. But a Tampa woman says her bank still hasn't given her money back, so what's up with that? She knew she'd better call banking to get some answers.
Jen Keith, I've exposed Zelle schemes for years. Sometimes banks reimburse the money and sometimes they don't. This policy change offered hope that in certain situations the answer will now be yes. But as you're about to hear, in this case, the policy change has not helped this consumer.
They said, well, we never give money back from Zelle.
This is what Tara Thomas says her bank told her when she called to report $3,500 had been stolen from her account. The crook called her last month, impersonated her bank, Wells Fargo, and tricked her into giving up information that allowed them to Zelle themselves her money. She says she called her bank within 5 minutes of the transactions, but her claim has been denied. Last week, Zelle confirmed policy changes Tara hoped would help her. Since June 30th, Zelle says financial firms began reversing transfers for those tricked into sending money to crooks who claim to be a government agency or bank. Even so, Tara says Wells Fargo refused to change their decision in her case.
I know that they're giving money back to some people, and this was clearly a fraud case.
Zelle's statement to Better Call Banking says, in part, our bank and credit union participants must reimburse consumers for qualifying imposter scams, including when a scammer impersonates a bank to trick a consumer into sending them money with Zelle. I sent this to Wells Fargo and received this statement back. We have reviewed the claim and are sharing our findings with our customer. While we cannot provide details on this case for privacy and confidentiality reasons, we stand behind our decision based on the facts in this specific situation. When a customer files a claim, we review and make a decision on the claim using the same Zelle rules, applicable laws, and regulatory guidance followed by all banks. Teresa Murray, consumer watchdog with the U.S. Public Interest Research Group, says Tara should file complaints with federal regulators.
I mean, here's the policy. This customer apparently fit it, and now the bank is saying, "Oh no, we're not gonna give the person their money back, and we're not even going to tell you why." That's wrong.
Tara tells me Wells Fargo called her this afternoon to say they are standing by their decision not to reimburse her money. She wanted to know why, and she says that there is no clear explanation as to why, other than they think that this does not appear to be a fraud case.
Well, how would this policy be enforced in the first place? And I guess filing complaints, that's your only recourse? Is that what you're saying?
Yes, right now, yes. Consumers can file complaints with federal regulators who are tracking these issues with the state attorney general. As for enforcement, it's unclear right now because, as Keith mentioned, this is a voluntary policy change. It's not a law, and that is why consumer groups are pushing for more regulations because, again, it's a policy, and who's going to enforce it? It's Zelle, but as we've reported previously, Zelle is owned by 7 major banks, so it's kind of up in the air. It's a gray area.
It just depends on which bank and their mood of the day, I guess, until we get some more enforcement along through that. Thank you. If you have a problem that needs solving, you better call Bankin. There's the telephone number, 1-855-BANKIN, or you can reach her on Facebook at WFLA Shannon.